Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting world where creativity meets opportunity, making money with digital products. Imagine this: you create something once, and then you can sell it over and over again. Sounds amazing, right? Digital products like ebooks, templates, guides, graphics, and spreadsheets are not just trendy. They're a fantastic way to generate income. The beauty of these products is that they can be sold on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. This means you have the freedom to reach a global audience without the hassle of inventory or shipping. Let's talk about a real success story. One creator made an impressive $800 in their first month just by selling templates. This is proof that with the right approach and a bit of creativity, you can turn your skills into a thriving business. So, how do you get started? First, think about what you're passionate about or what skills you possess. Are you great at graphic design? Consider creating stunning graphics or templates. Do you have expertise in a particular field? Write an informative ebook or guide. The possibilities are endless. Once you've created your product, it's time to showcase it. Make sure to present it in a way that highlights its value. Use engaging descriptions and eye-catching visuals to attract potential buyers. And don't forget to promote your products on social media and through your network to maximize your reach. Remember, the key to success in selling digital products is consistency and engagement. Keep refining your offerings based on feedback and trends, and don't hesitate to explore new ideas. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more faceless digital business tips. Here's to your success in the world of digital products.